This is a video chart presentation of Banro Corp. Banro is a New York Stock Exchange market listed company trading our ticker BAA. We hadn't done many that were true penny plays here recently. Wanted to pick one out that was down below $1 for this week. And Banro certainly fits that bill with a 41-cent price tag. Now, one thing that caught my eye was it's sitting on 40 cents, just below an old support. It's about 41 cents, going back into late in 2013. Again, that area held as support here recently. Stock price broke through it at the end of May. Now we're going to be watching for it to break back above that level. So we think 42 cents is going to serve as some resistance. So if it can break above that, there's a nice little upside in these penny plays before it meets any real resistance. Now we can see in the near term, MACD is moving back towards zero. That's something that we always look for. Of course, the break of zero, the move up into positive territory is a much stronger sign of bullishness. Similar to through here, break back down through zero, bearishness, time to get out and look for the break back above zero again. So on that point, while it's approaching positive territory, we'll be watching for the support level at 40 cents to hold and for a little bit more buying pressure to come into the play. Slow stochastic, down low, but moving upward. Starting to show a little bit of sign of momentum building. But again, much like the MACD breaking through zero, we want to see this slow stow above 50, because it's pretty clear it's made some upward movements before, but breaking 50 to move into a more bullish position has been a difficult thing for the slow stow to accomplish. So while it's an optimistic early on sign, we'll look further down the road and want to see it break back above 50. Same way with the money flow index. Little bit of an upward move the last couple days. It's not that big of a deal. We want to see it above and holding above 50 because it just means that people are paying higher prices for the stock, and that's a bullish thing. You can see through here when that happened. Breaking above and holding above was when the stock price kept pushing higher. As far as the relative strength index goes, we're looking for a move above 50. Pretty clear the bears have been in control of momentum. The RSI 14 holding underneath 50 now for 3 months. We want to see it break above that 50 mark, show the bulls are taking control of momentum. As I mentioned, 40 cents is the bottom support we're looking for to hold. Any closing price below that mark, we're walking away from it. Just don't see any support in sight. Right now we're interpreting this volume drying up as the stock price falls off, as a sign that the selling's drying up. So now we want to see an increase in volume. See the buyers come back into the play off of the support at 40 cents to take out some initial resistance. I think this is actually about 41.7 cents. Somewhere thereabouts. You can see how it's pretty close to 42 cents. And this dashed line is put on here makes that support level pretty clear. That was broken through just a couple weeks ago. Now in classic TA fashion, that's going to be a little bit of resistance for the chart. But I think if it breaks through that, it's not going to meet any more real resistance until up here around 48 cents. 50-day moving average is right there at 46 cents, which I'd expect to serve as some dynamic resistance. But if this comes off this base and we see an increase in volume, that'll help build the momentum, and I think it'll blow right through that 46 and challenge this 48-cent static resistance. Now, that's a pretty nice gain from 41.5 cents it closed out on Friday. And then from there, the gains actually kind of come in leaps and bounds to resistance points. I'm not going to worry about them right now, drawing them on here. But I see another one up around 55, 56 cents. Another primary one up near 70 cents. But none of that happens, of course, without holding this base, pushing through this first little resistance at 42, and seeing how the stock reacts if it can go up here and challenge 48. But it's a nice looking chart to start this week out with. And the reason that we'll have Banro on our radar to see how it performs. But as always, merely my interpretation of the BAA chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.